These are the Lux leggings. I know you guys got a sneak peek over during Summit, and you guys been waiting, like I said, so patiently. So they are here. They're perfect. They are black, high-waisted, no pockets. Just nice and smooth everywhere. You guys know Lux is one of my favorite collections because it's so soft and just feels so yummy on. So do whatever you usually do with the Lux, but just keep in mind that these ones do have a stitch on top. So I love that. I know some of you love the Lux but have some issues with this rolling down because it doesn't have stitch. And some of us love it because it doesn't have stitch and it feels so smooth and nice. But this one does have this stitch, so it's not gonna roll down, it's gonna stay in place. It's perfect. Like I said, regular size and Lux, that's what you wanna get on here. And of course, it just has this beautiful cutouts through the leg, and it's only on the front. The back is just nice and black. And like I said, true to size or size down, or again, like you've done in the Lux before, do the same on this and they'll be great.